How to fix upgrade error in Roblox. I'm going to show you a few different methods. For the first one, you will need to go to your settings and then search for iPhone storage here. Now you will click on iPhone storage and you just want to find Roblox from this list of applications. I'm just going to click on show all, and right here you'll just find Roblox. Click on it, then you want to offload the app. And once you have offloaded the app, you will click on reinstall. This is not going to sign you out of your account, so you don't need to worry about that. Once you have done this, the second thing that I suggest doing is going back here and you will just search for permissions this time. So you want to search for permissions or permission, or sorry, not permissions, but notifications. I was wondering why it doesn't pop up. So you will search for notifications, click on notifications here. And notification style, you just want to find Roblox here from this list. Click on Roblox and make sure that the notifications are turned off for a little bit. So make sure these are turned off. The second thing the third thing I suggest doing is going into the App Store, searching for Roblox, and then seeing if there's an update for Roblox here. So you just want to find Roblox, and if you see update, you will just click on the update button. If that doesn't work either, the last thing that I suggest doing is turning off your phone and then turning it back on. Simply swipe down from the top of your screen and then click on the power button in the top right. Then it is going to ask you to restart, turn off. You will restart your phone, turn it back on, and hopefully that fixes the upgrade error. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.